Kids are so busy nowadays. From school, soccer, hockey, piano lessons, playdates. It's all mom drive me here, dad drive me there. No wonder all the moms and dads look so tired all of the time. First of all, let me tell you about a dash cam people have been talking about for quite a while now. The Thinkware U1000. It's smart, it's reliable, and it captures the road ahead in 4K. This is great for when they've got people over for dinner. They can loop their home video of their drive to little Johnny's big hockey tournament in 4K glory. If dad's always complaining about being stuck at work late and missing out on the family adventures, the BlackVue DR900S is what they need. Also a 4K dash cam, but what I love about this dash cam is the two-way voice communication that's available through BlackVue over the cloud. With this, he can join in on all of the heart-to-heart conversations and the silly sing-alongs in the car. And look, that much dreaded drive to the mall just to meet Santa will look so much better in 4K. If you have any questions about the Thinkware U1000 or the BlackVue DR900S, we're always here to help. I got this.
And remember to be like, we got you or something.
We got you.
Something.
We got you.
Yeah.
We got you.
We got you.
We got you. It's just staring at me.